What are you guys doing? I think I saw 20 deer go through the woods this morning. It's time to let the girls out. Everybody's gonna want to play. We got a little bit of snow here. Well, thanks to our Woodland Mills sawmill, we're able to have a nice chicken coop here. The eggs are probably frozen this morning. This is their automatic door. Hey girls, what you doing? What you doing? It was -4 degrees this morning. Now it's about 15 degrees. So you might not really want to come out today, huh? There we go. Black Asian. They're funny how they come out. See, their water froze solid. So we're gonna give them their feed this morning and help them out. This is kind of a tour of our chicken coop. It's nice and frozen. Yeah. Here's one of their favorite toys is a mirror. They look into that a lot. I made them a little swing and little perches. Hey girls, you guys want some agua? Yes, I know you do. You want treats, don't you? Yes, I know you do. Hold on. Mama slid that together so it was easy to carry, didn't she? There you go, guys. That's a lot of mealworms. Let's put them over here for you. There you go. Let's get you some more. This is always kind of fun. Put some mealworms on a little swing. See if they can get it. Some food. It's very nice. Good girls. You guys are going to enjoy those treats. Yeah, your mama made them special. You guys aren't sure about coming out yet, are you? What are you doing in there? What are you guys up to? That's funny. That's the inside, and then underneath the coop is a nice dry space. So that's a good way to build you a chicken coop. You can see we use our sawmill literally to make every board. And on this side of the chicken coop is another access door for collecting chicken eggs. We made the doors certain sizes so you can roll up to them with the wheelbarrow and clean things out real easy. So I don't know if I can get this chunk of ice out or not. This is a farmer's delight right here. Boom. That's why you pay the extra money to get a really good water bowl. So in the wintertime, you can kick it like that and it doesn't break. It's a little squishy underneath, so they're pretty solid, but close to it. Our picnic table, also made out of lumber from Woodland Mill. Oh, that's funny. You know you got tame chickens when you can leave the door open. They don't seem to mind. Want this back where it was. Let's get you your water right there. All right, girls, stay warm. They're starting to talk, aren't you? What are you guys saying? Say hi to everyone that likes eggs. That was fun. There we go. Let's go home. All right. So the unique thing about our chicken coop is that not only did we have to make it ourselves, but we had to make it in such a way that it was fairly predator proof and bear proof. We got bears, bobcats, eagles. So you'll see, put strings across the top, and I'm going to extend the roof for next winter so they have more dry space. This is quite adequate. Alright, have a great day. What are you guys doing? You guys coming over for chicken food? I just fed the chickens. And you guys seem to want. You can smell it, can't you? That's what it is. You guys can smell what I cook out there. Looking a little frosty. A little frosty. What are you guys doing? Wanna go see the chickens? Chickens are right there. Only about 15 yards away. Alright, I'm going back in because it's only 15 degrees. You guys stay frosty. Stay frosty, my friends.